thanks for stopping by the channel. I appreciate it so much. Thanks for all the new subscribers. I'm happy to announce that we have hit 1,600 subscribers right at the new year. We're about 1,500 or 1,490, so I managed to get 100 subscribers this month in January, so that's awesome, guys. Thank you so much. Slowly growing, and I just appreciate it so much. Thanks for all your support. We got like 250 to 300 views on the last 4 videos this week, and I really appreciate that. But back to today's main video. What today's video is about is finishing up the job site that we were at. In this first picture, my coworker made made up the head and pushed it through the flex, and he told me to pull harder, and this is basically what it looked like when it came out. Basically, it wasn't really taped that well, and it just was getting caught, so we had to take it all apart and pull it out. So good times, no shame. Anyways, my coworker did manage to take me out to lunch, so that was super cool. I got like this giant teriyaki pineapple burger with tater tots. It was really good, and almost threw up. I was so full. It was amazing. It was really messy to eat though. And anyways, here's the panel. Pulled in the rest of the circuits because yesterday I showed you, or a couple days ago I showed you the feeders, but today we pulled in all the rest of the branch circuits because we were moving these 2 panels, if you don't remember. So anyways, I'll show you more of that in a second, but moving these panels, we had to repull all the circuits and a junction box, and that was really fun to splice, so I'll show you that here in a minute. So it's actually right here. So I think it was a 12 by 12 gutter or 16 by 16, and basically took all the old pipes and flexed into the box, and then flexed out to the panels. That way we didn't have to pipe. That's just what my coworker wanted. So this is actually an after picture of all the splices before I stuffed it and put the lid on. So that took me at least an hour trying to get all of those going to the right places and making sure all the panels going to the right places, circuit numbers matched up with the right colors, because some of the wires, usually you want to have it like red to red or blue to blue, but some of these were like red to black because they didn't really color match the circuits when whoever did this before we had to before we had to move these panels, so the last electricians didn't color match it to the right circuit numbers, so it is what it is. And here are the panels once we got the covers on, and then this is what it looks like coming out. Here's the flex coming down the wall, and I guess they're just gonna leave that not strapped the best between the ceiling and the drop ceiling. So anyways, got all those strapped in. I guess that bottom left spreader bar is a little bit crooked, but got everything strapped. And another picture on the ceiling, I strapped the ones on the left coming out, and my coworker strapped the ones going to the right coming in. And then this is basically just where the panels used to be, and there's some old wire there. They're gonna tear out this whole wall, so they can worry about those wires later. And here's another picture where the old pipes came through the wall and where we flexed through the wall, and the other side of the wall is right here where you can see the pipes are painted brown where they were coming in. Basically we had to tear out this giant section of wall, and yeah, they're actually going to be taking out that ceiling, so that's going to suck for them because we're stripped pretty close to that. So anyways, there's the old pipes into the new flex, which goes into the box, and here's the old service, and as you can see the new service is in the silver pipe because it's not painted, and I'm pretty sure they'll paint that later. But anyways, the old service was going down the other wall, and then we just cut it back and turned it in straight into the new panels where they're being moved to. So it took 4 days, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and once again, thanks for all the support. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, and also because work is getting slow, I am being sent off to another company to stay busy, so hopefully we can pick back up sooner than later, just because I want to feel secure that I'm not going to lose my job. But either way, all good, and they're keeping me busy, and it should pick back up later once all the other jobs get framed up and stuff from the outside PT decks and all that stuff. So anyways, I'm going to be going to a different company to stay busy the next few weeks at least, so we'll see how that turns out. And yep, so make sure to like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for all the support, and as always, check the description for social medias to follow along my electrical Instagram and Corvette Instagram, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload new videos, guys. Thanks so much. God bless. Have a great weekend. Peace out.